Hi guys, welcome to the active channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to go live or how to live stream on YouTube. So let's go to YouTube first. After go to YouTube, you will find on top right corner or very top this camera icon with plus. Just click on this create option. Then you'll find here go live. Just click on go live. Now click on request. You have to verify your account with phone number. After the verification, you can get a code. You have to put the code and you will able to allow to go live on your YouTube channel or from YouTube channel. Okay, and all of your subscribers or any person which algorithm supports with this person can see you on live from YouTube. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.